Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, coming to you this morning on moving day. Brrr. I don't know why it's such a big deal. I guess it's because I really love the place where I've been at for a few weeks. It's up in the high forest of northern Arizona. It's relatively secluded. I mean, it's a 3-mile trip down a dirt forest road that takes like 20 minutes just to get to the first freeway, and then another 20 minutes to get to Flagstaff. I've seen deer, there's cow, chipmunks, I've seen a wolf. Ninja loves going outside, watching the cows and everything else. She has killed one mouse that I could confirm. I found its headless body on my front door last night. Anyway, I technically don't need to leave. I mean, I've got enough food for a month. I've got enough water for at least another week. My black tank probably won't be full for another week. And then even if I needed water and to empty the black tank, I could do that in the car. Same with propane. I'm good for another few weeks. So I guess I asked myself why I'm moving. Well, number one, the National Forest regulation is that there's no more than a 14-day consecutive period in their forest. And then they want to shoo you away for 30 days, even though technically Coconino County National Forest encompasses like thousands of acres. Literally take you like an hour to drive from one end to the other, but yet, don't stay on any one, in that national forest for 14 days. Anyway, that's another issue. I'm rambling on. So today's moving day. It's actually packing day and a slight move. So I'm going to pack up the RV, load up the car, and drive close to the freeway so that tomorrow morning I'm prepared to drive into Flagstaff and do all these things I have to do to get a clean slate to then relocate to a new spot for a couple of weeks. That entails dumping tanks, adding water, topping off propane, getting groceries, you name it. So today's packing up and a slight move day. Tomorrow's errand day, chore day, and then it will be new camp day. If there's anything you have questions on, like what were you doing there, or how did you do that, or why was that, please leave me a comment and I'd be happy to answer. Otherwise, it will be physically demanding because it's a lot of stuff to do. The biggest thing is driving the RV to a nice flat spot on the forest road to where I could then walk all the way back at the VW, drive it up to the ramp, trailer ramp, and load it up, and then move to that new location near the highway. Here it goes. I know I promised video, but didn't really do it. So far, I've taken off the front and back LED and fairy lights, the 4 motion detector lights, packed them up. I folded up the front lawn and the zero gravity chair. Next, I'm going to put up the awning and back up the RV a little bit to get off the blocks so I can put the blocks away. Then the only thing remaining is put the slide out in. I'm going to leave the slide out currently because Ninja's bed is there and she can lay in it as I go into VW and recon for a new spot closer to the highway. And I'll be disconnecting that in a moment and put inside the car. I know I didn't film everything, but I did recon the area. I found a spot. I've got the RV pulled forward. Now I'm just going to manually move the trailer onto the hitch. I'll probably have to pull the RV a little bit forward, but let's get started after a little break. Well, the trailer's ready, hooked up. That was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Gonna back up the Beetle and then drive the RV to the forest road, put the 4-way flashers on, walk back to get the Bug and load it up. See you in a minute. Okay, hopefully nobody hits me and I go walk to get the Bug. Well, we're at our new spot. Ninja's already out and rolling in the dirt. Half-mile from the freeway, but right off the road. Not exactly level, but we'll make it for a night. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for errands in town. Big day tomorrow. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you get notifications every time I post a new video, which is about every day or two. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, and be active.